Hey everybody, this is Epoxy Chris with HowToDoEpoxy.com. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you guys here with me today. Now on this channel, I'm going to walk everybody through on how to do epoxy floors, decorative concrete finishes, and also polished concrete. If you don't have any experience, that's perfectly fine. These videos are for homeowners, those who want to have a DIY project over the weekend, or even for the contractor who wants to get into the business. As a coatings contractor for the last 10 years, I have a lot of real-world experience that I'm going to share with you guys on this YouTube channel. A lot of tips and tricks, things to do and things to avoid. If you guys can, please like this video, comment and share, and also subscribe to our channel so that you guys are notified when we update new content. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy our content here on how to do epoxy.